Do you see that? It's even more breathtaking in person.
I know, it's incredible. How deep are we?
Do you see that? It moved. It's so big. We have to look closer.
Wow, look at that! Incredible!
It's massive.
I've never seen anything like it.
Wow. Incredible.
All right, buddy, here we go.
Whoa!
Look at that! Isn't it amazing?
It's so big.
See that, sweetie? That's where the compass would have been.
Whoa.
Incredible, isn't it?
Look, Dad. Look at that amazing fish.
Wow, son, that's incredible! He's so bright!
Look, Anna. The grand staircase. Wow. It's so sad. I got it.
Excellent work, Ben.
What is that big thing? That is the heavy anchor.
Very heavy indeed.
Wow. That's what I'm talking about. I can't believe how big it is.
Okay, kids, time to pack up.
Initiating ascent sequence now.
You got this, honey.
Here we go.
It is a special story. It looks like a treasure.
Look at that! We made it to the surface!
Woohoo! Amazing!
High five, buddy!
Yes!
Oh, that was great!
What an adventure, honey!